Hey guys, welcome back to Zero Code. Today we are going to dive into something that powers every computer and mobile device, the operating system. What is it? Why is it so important? And how does it work? Let's break down with real life analogies. So, what is an operating system? Imagine buying a brand new computer without an operating system. It's just a box of metal wires and chips. The operating system is the software that wakes up your computer and makes everything work. It's like a manager or supervisor for your computer. It handles communication between you and the hardware, like the CPU, keyboard, and more. Think of your computer as a big office. The operating system is your office manager. It tells the staff, which means hardware, what to do when you give a command. When you want to open a file, the operating system tells the hardware to get it. If you want to print something, the operating system sends the document to the printer. Why do we need OS? Without an OS, you have to speak directly to the computer's hardware using complex code, which is not practical at all. So, OS makes life easy by running apps like browsers and games, managing memory and storage, handling input and output, and most importantly, giving you a friendly interface like Windows desktop or Android home screen. Why do we have different operating systems? Different devices have different needs. A PC needs multitasking and productivity tools, so we use Windows or Linux. A phone needs touch controls and power efficiency, so we have Android or iOS. A server needs more stability and security, so we have Linux or Unix. That's why one size doesn't fit at all. Each OS is made for a purpose. Let's understand how operating system really works. The operating system is a software that helps us talk to a hardware. It takes your input and gives the output back. APIs are the programming tools that developers use to build apps. Every operating system has its own set of APIs. The kernel is the heart of the operating system. It talks directly to the hardware and manages everything behind the scenes. Apps are programs that uses the operating system APIs. Some apps only work on certain operating systems. So all these parts work together to control the actual hardware, like memory, processors, and storage. Now, let's quickly recap. An operating system is the manager of your computer. It helps hardware and software talk to each other. It handles all tasks from opening files to saving battery. Now you know what makes your computer smart. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe and share with your friends. Stay curious and keep learning only on Zero Code.